Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. Aave is one of the charts I do like. Aave created, in my opinion, since the low in June, where the price was around $45. It created a first wave to the upside, an impulse to $116, and then came down in an A, B, C correction in a wave 2. This wave 2 came into my reversal area, and I think we have a chance that this is now over, this correction. Yeah, for the last few weeks, I've always told you we need one more low, At least it would be ideal. We then saw that low when we hit $65. That was one of the levels that I constantly pointed out to. Yeah, we've been looking for a bottom here for weeks, and we finally did get it. Aave is one of the coins I did buy, I think around $67 here at the low. And I think we have a good chance that a low is now in. There is still a chance to come down lower. There's no absolute confirmation yet, but it's starting to look interesting. Important to understand that below $60, I will focus more on the bearish scenario. So at the moment, as long as we're holding that $60 level, there is a good chance that this is eventually going to break out to the upside, a little bit like Ethereum, where we would move up in a wave 3. What would be a target for the wave 3? I can give you that as well. For that, we take the Fibonacci extension tool, go all the way to that high of $116, go down to the low at around 65, and the target would be $178 for a third wave. So it gives you quite a nice high reward, low risk trade setup. Let's go to the 1 hour chart and say, why is there a good chance we could have bottomed? Well, the case is simply that we can count 5 waves down off the high of that wave 4, which indicates that a low, the pattern is full. Yeah, of course it can come down lower, but the pattern is full. And if you then see an impulse to the upside, which we did see as well, and I would rather move this now a little bit. I would rather say this was 1, 2, we get the 3, the 4, and the 5. So that's sort of how I see this now with the latest price action. But I would say we have our wave 1. Yeah, we're coming down in ideally an ABC pattern. Ideally, I see another low. Yeah, ideally, maybe sort of in the $70 region. That would be really nice to confirm that. Also give another entry point maybe, and then we could move up here in a third wave, in a small third wave, a third wave of the third. So there is an impulse off the low, which is good. Again, ideally for a wave 2 now, I would like to see a stronger retracement. I can give you an area for that as well. It can still do it. Ideally I would like to see here the 50% level, sort of $70, maybe the 61.8 at 69, maybe even the 78.6 at $67. So that is sort of the region where I would like to see Aave get into before it reverses to the upside, but there's no guarantee we get there. My current take on this is that this here was a wave A down, this here is a wave B. At the moment it's only 3 waves, but again here we get into micro counting. However, a break above that $75 level here would indicate we're already pushing higher in the third wave. Yeah, so ideally one more leg down. It would probably need to break down now, really, and then get into this box and then move up. Can't rule out we go up straight away, but it's just not what I would like to see. But then we don't always get what we want to see, right? Important is to break above that wave 1 high to continue the move to the upside. I'm happy either way. I told you that I will buy if we get another low, which I did. Made the channel members aware on Telegram and Discord as well at the time. And if we start from here, the target for that small wave 3 should be around $87 US. So again, quite nice. That is one of the coins where I say also with one of the highest probabilities that a low was in here in this correction, and that overall also the bear market low was already in. Now I can't rule out that we will break down. It's still very early days in an uptrend, but it's starting to look interesting. Okay, that's my update about Aave. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.